the DVR922HD, which is like a GoPro, pretty much. It's a GoPro-y camera. I saw this at Walmart for about $50, and it claims to do 4K. It claims to have a crazy big battery time and crisp video, which is very important to me because I prefer quality over quantity of videos. Accessories! So pretty much what it comes with one of these little clamps that you can just put on a bike. And, like, you could use the adapters, but you don't have to use the water case, which is pretty nice. Sticky pads. Comes with sticky pads, so you can put it on a helmet, or a wall, or whatever. A railing mount, which actually would be really helpful for, like, a bike. I keep using bike a lot, but that's really all the GoPro footage I really see. And it comes with the water casing of it. So what are my expectations for this camera? I want it to record crisp video. I want it to have a nice battery life, so that way I don't have to buy 45 million batteries for that thing. And overall, just something I can bring to, say, the beach and record me, you know, surfing or something, and without it worrying about dying. Because I'm very skeptical about this, because a lot of GoPros, or at least a lot of off-brand GoPros I've tried out over the years, the camera is fine. The camera's perfect. But as soon as you put it in the case and you throw it, or at least like put it underwater, somehow air goes through it. And I hate that. And it's really annoying. We'll have to try it out once it's charged up. And actually, with an action camera, I figured we would go somewhere fun. So, we're gonna have to go on a trip. Meaning, I gotta pack. It's a little too orange though. Oh,
What are you doing? Chill.
it's a treasure chest. Yes, it is.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Until you see her, you'll agree. I'm done. I just want to see how far I can get. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. For me.
Alright, I'm back from Great Wolf Lodge, which was really fun. I even still have the band on. I'm going to take it off actually right now. Alright, that's a sharp knife. So I haven't looked over any of the footage yet. This is based on before I recorded the video. I'm not going to be adding anything during recording or anything. But performance-wise, it wasn't that bad. Really, it survived. It still works. And although the battery time is very, very limited. For instance, we were in the water park, and say we got there around 9, and I recorded about 20 shots, 21 to 2 minute shots, and the camera would be about 75% dead. Which, I mean, I get if I'm just bringing it around and just consistently on, I should say. Oh, also, something I didn't even talk about. This thing has freaking vlogging capabilities. I didn't even talk about that before I left. Which I feel like is a big part of this. Like, you can just put it in the casing, you can just vlog with it. What's up, YouTube? And it held the camera pretty well. Like, it's not broken, it wasn't releasing any air while we were there. Which, if you don't know how to find that, you just put it in water, little bubbles pop out. Then take your camera out immediately. Not out of the casing, out of the water. And, did pretty well. I never got to use any of these other ones, but overall, it seems pretty well. I looked over some of the footage, say like the time lapse and the stuff, but that's because my phone doesn't go 1080p. So anytime I brought some files over to my phone to try to look at and couldn't play it because my phone is not 1080p. And the quality seemed alright, but that was on my 720 phone. So, we'll leave it. Ready? The Vivitar HD. The Vivitar DVR922HD. Is it worth it? Yes. But for beginners. Meaning if you don't know one thing about film editing or film recording or film anything like that, but you just want to go out to say like Splish Splash, which is a water park out here, and you just want a camera, this is a perfect buy. But if you do want something that like you can edit later or color grade or anything like that, just buy a GoPro. Which I might actually do. Oh, it just died. Again. I left it on. I left it on overnight, that's why. Man! Alright. So I hope you guys like that tech review. If you want another one, give me things to review. I'll buy it. I'll share it with the world.
A, B, C, D, E.